Hello, can you guys hear me?
Yes, yes, loud and clear. Can you hear me?
Yes.
Sure, sure. All right. So shall we start today?
Yes.
All
Bismillah.
right. Bismillah.
Ok-
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Hi, Assalamualaikum, and a very good evening to all of you. Thank you for coming our event. So, first of all, I would like to introduce myself first. So, my name is Siti Nabila. I also have my partner, Suzarisha, which is my senior. So, Uh, I start to join MLSA from 2020 2020 I guess. I'm not sure lah. So we we can hear what we can hear Sudari.
Hello, can you hear me?
Okay.
All right, sure, sure, sure. I think you joined somewhere around 2020. I think you joined some of my event and then you went for the interview and then you passed, right?
Yeah.
Yeah,
I
sure.
remember.
Yeah,
Okay.
yeah.
We want to our main objective for this event. So we have session. First session with Suzari, the second session with me, myself. So, Suzari, we're going to present or to introduce about the introduction of our platform, right?
Yeah, yeah, yeah. I will introduce some of our platform and then you will introduce on how to do the chatbot, right?
Yes.
Yeah, sure.
Okay.
Yeah.
Maybe we can start with first session, Suzari.
Yeah, of course, of course. Can you open the Mentimeter here?
Oh, okay,
Yeah, I
sure.
want to know. I want to know who are our audiences. With I mean like the students at where, at which institute. I want to know as well. All right.
Okay.
All right.
Well,
Sure. All right. So how much do we have here? Let's see. Somewhere 45 people minus how much people from us? One, two, three, four. Only four of us. That comes to about 41 people here. Hi. I want to greet some of the people that are listed here in the Microsoft Teams. Arifa Soleh Nasrin is our MLSA. Tivia, Izzat also. Izzat is also our MLSA too. What to say? Fariha. What else? How do we see this? Show participant. Okay, Alif Ashraf, Arif Iskandar, Arifa Soleha. Hi, you guys. How are you doing? How are you doing? I would like you guys to also participate in the live section, in the live chat, so that we can reply to you guys whenever you have any questions. You guys can also interrupt me if you guys have any other questions. Um, all I can see here, I hope that you guys are very, very interested in joining this event. Of course, at the end of the event, you guys will receive a Windows 11 keys. So you know it is a it is a new operating system by Microsoft. If you guys want manage to want the license, the Windows 11 license, some of your PC may not support this particular OS, but I will show you on how to bypass the TPM check, which is the requirement check that Microsoft will incur to you guys whenever you want to install Windows 11. So, Nabila, have you turned on the Mentimeter?
oh yeah, there is a problem with the Mentimeter. I'm
Uh-huh.
not sure what the problem.
Mhm. All right, never mind.
Now we
Eh,
proceed to
yeah.
the other can we proceed?
All right, sure, sure, sure. Let me share my screen. All right, where is it? Share my screen. How can, all right, this one, share my screen. Okay, this one. Can you guys see my screen right now?
Yes, yes.
Yes.
All right, sure, sure. Okay, before I start this presentation, I would like you guys to also participate in introducing, I mean like introducing yourself in the live section, in the live chat sections. And if you have any other questions, again, please unmute your mic or you can interrupt me at anywhere around the presentations. I will also try to take a look at the live chat sections and so that I can answer some of your questions if you have any. All right? Sure. Okay, it's a bummer to know that the Mentimeter isn't working right now, but I think it is what it is. I will just work with whatever that I am given with. All right, so as an introduction to this particular workshop, this is actually a Power Platform Fundamentals. It is part of an exam. Okay, of course, I as a Microsoft Learn Student Ambassador, I will promote examinations, certifications from Microsoft. This is a very great certifications that, by the way, you can look the details. You can look through these certifications details or exam details at Microsoft pages. I will show you right after the presentations ends. Okay. Building chatbots, I mean like as you all can see in the poster in the program marketing that we have already released. Power Platform is part. Power Platform has a lot of components there, and one of the components in Power Platform is Power Virtual Agent, which is the chatbot things that Nabila will show you after this. So it is quite fun to learn this because we got to know a lot of automations. And I will also show you a little bit on the best practices and on the applications that you can actually use with Power Platform, right? So enough talking. You guys don't know who I am, right? So, my name is Muhammad Sudarisha bin Zakaria. I am a Microsoft Learn Student Ambassador. I have been with the program for about 1 year and a half, I think. I joined in September 2020 as a new student ambassador, and I hosted a lot of events since then and joined a lot of hackathons sponsored by Microsoft. I have also obtained a lot of those badges. I mean, like, if you ask, how did I get those badges? It is because I completed the certifications from Microsoft. As you can see here, I am a Microsoft 365 certified Teams administrator, modern desktop administrator. I have like Azure fundamentals, 365 fundamentals, and I am also a Microsoft certified trainer. As you can see that Microsoft has opened me with a lot of opportunity by progressing myself even more. When I joined Microsoft Learn Student Ambassador, I have a lot of opportunity to connect with global people, with Microsoft advocates, with cloud advocates from Microsoft, which opens up to a whole new opportunity if you guys want to say. Okay, so you guys can this is an old one. I guess you guys are not interested in following my Instagram, but you can see my website here at suzarisha.online if you want to see what are my portfolio actually. And then, yeah, let's get started. Okay, so I want to take my time here to promote about our program, our Microsoft Learn Student Ambassador, instead of just going through all of the theories and very boring details, whatsoever, things like that. I want to invite you guys. I personally want to invite you guys to join the MLSA community. As you can see here, we have like Izzat, Nasrin. Nasrin, Nabila, they are all my juniors, and I recruited them in the previous event last year. We did an event and a recruitment event, in which that I will do another event to recruit MLSA. I think somewhere around November, but stay tuned for it. Make sure you stay tuned to our Microsoft team, to this Microsoft Teams channel, and then follow every single update so that we can actually let you know the recruitment sessions. All right. What are MLSA? MLSA is a student leader. Okay, they are actually a student leader who actually helps the student community, the university community to for us to promote the Microsoft products. Being part of Microsoft, we have access to all Microsoft products. Okay, we have received 150 Azure cloud credit. Sorry for my pronunciations. We also have Microsoft Windows 11. We have all of the product keys. If you want to ask, we have Microsoft Office 2021. We also have those broad kind of products that Microsoft has given to us to be an advocate to the product to the student community. So by joining this event, not only you get that kind of the opportunity to connect yourself with other ambassador, with other people around the world, and with Microsoft advocates as well, you will also gain access to whole lot of Microsoft products, right? So the role of being an advocate, the role of being ambassador is to help fellow students if they have any other like doubts with Microsoft products. You can just promote the Microsoft product to them. Actually, yeah, right. And then off to the benefit section, we have four milestones in Microsoft Learn Student Ambassador. If you want to be a student ambassador and just stay idle without doing anything, you can also do that. Yes, Microsoft doesn't really force you to go and do events and certifications and all of the programs, hosting all the. Microsoft doesn't really like force you to do that. If you want to do one, you need to work hard for it. I mean, if you want to have all of the benefits, you need to work hard for it. Like we have like the first milestone, which is the new student ambassador milestone. The new student ambassador milestone, you will get a domain of your own. Sorry, I'm sorry. You will get an email address. You will get support from Microsoft Teams. You will get a recording software, if I'm not mistaken, right? And then we have the alpha milestone. How do you get to alpha milestone? You just need to complete your first learning part in Microsoft Learn. Actually, we are a Microsoft Learn advocates too. Let me show you my screen. Yeah. I think this one. Yeah. Okay. All right. So, okay. So this is Microsoft Learn. If you want to ask, let's try to Google Microsoft Learn. Okay. So this is Microsoft Learn. We are an advocate to this particular portal, so that in this portal you will gain a lot of informations regarding Microsoft products and services. Like let's just look into it. Okay, you can see here it has like a gamifications kind of mechanism to encourage you to learn new things. I encourage you guys to look at this. Let me try to share this in the Teams section. All right, where is it? The chat section. Okay. Hey guys, I don't see any interaction yet in the meeting chat. I encourage you to to go and just look just ask any questions, any other questions. I think you guys have any other questions, but we never know if I can answer that questions or not, right? So in this session, in this workshop, we will learn more about this Microsoft Power Platform fundamentals. You can view all of the details of what I am presenting to you. I will be presenting to you after this in this particular website. I have already shared it in the Microsoft Teams sections. All right, that's all. All right, let's look into this one. All right, sure. Okay, and then we have like we have in Alpha Milestone, you will get 150 monthly Azure credits. Like I said earlier, we have Visual Studio Enterprise subscriptions where you can get a lot of benefits out of that. You can get Microsoft 365 subscriptions for free. You can get yes, yes. I heard someone unmute his mic.
Yeah,
Hello,
yeah.
Kairi. Do you have any other questions?
Oh, no, 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 no.
All right, sure. Never mind. Okay. Let me try to go back to the okay to that particular slide. All right, and then as usual, you will get the chance to complete a certifications. You will get an exam voucher from Microsoft, and you will need to take the certifications. If you don't want to take certifications, that's fine. That's okay. Don't force yourself to do anything that you don't want to do, right? And then, of course, you will get a studentambassadors.com domain name. You will get your own domain. Let's say, for example, if you want to do a website, you need to have like a domain, right? Let's say for me, myself, I have suzarelsha.com. Okay, I want to have that particular address, URL. So they will give you the voucher for that as well. Right, and then like I said earlier, this one TechSmith, Snagit, and Camtasia software, you can obtain this during your new student ambassador milestone. All right. And then going for beta, you will get a lot of things too. You will get whatever alpha has to offer you. You will get swags. Like here, I'm wearing one. I'm wearing the shirts. Actually, I have two of this. I don't know. They kind of like sent me twice on this package. I got two boxes of the Microsoft merchandise, and you will get another. I mean, like right now, I'm progressing to gold milestone, which offer even more benefits, and they will send out more of that. More of the merchandise to you as a gold student ambassador. So wish me luck on becoming gold student ambassador. I know that these three juniors of mine here will also obtain this. Feel free to ask us if you guys want to be a Microsoft Learning Student Ambassador. We can either nominate you or you can apply it by yourself. All right? Can you see my screen? I don't know why. Um. Okay. Let's try this. I don't know what happened. This one is very annoying. Okay, never mind. You can see, right? Okay. All right. So you how to be one of us. Okay. So first of all, you can get nominated by us. We will host like an event for you guys to be interviewed by us so that we can nominate you whether you are qualified or not. So we will send all of these details to Microsoft, and yes, of course, we can nurture you to become one of us as well. Okay, and then if you don't want to get nominated by us, you can apply on your own by answering a few questions in the student ambassador portal. You can go to this portal if you want. Yeah, you can go to this. Uh, which one? Oh, tak ada. All right, you can go to this URL. I'm sorry, I can't really copy and paste this into the team sections, but if you want to go and exploit yourself, you are welcome to do so. Yeah, all right. And then you need to answer a few questions. These are all of the questions that will be asked during the process of applying to this particular program, and then you need to answer. I mean, like the things that I can advise you guys is to do video introductions of yourself to to increase the chances for you guys to get accepted to this particular program. And then to increase more of your chances, you need to include your LinkedIn profile. You need to, if you have any GitHub account, Stack Overflow account, feel free to put into the portal as well as part of the application processes. And then, of course, you will be greeted with motivation essay. I hope you guys can go to the portal if you guys have any other doubts or questions. You can ask us if you want to. So, enough about Microsoft Learn Student Ambassador. Do you have any other questions before I start to the new section? Before I start to the content of the workshop, I will reserve 5 minutes of my time of this particular session. 5 minutes for Q&A. You can unmute your mic too, unmute your mic, or probably you can go to the live chat and drop off your questions. How much do we get here? 55, 51. We have 51 people here. Don't be shy. Of course.
No, no question for me.
Oh, who's that? Ukail Faris. Of
Yes.
course.
Hi.
Hi. Are you interested in becoming Microsoft Learn Student Ambassador?
It's interesting, but it's kind of hard, I think.
It's not hard. It's not hard actually. You kind of like do everything at your own pace, if you want to do your own certifications progress, you can do at your own time. It doesn't really affect your study. Like I myself, I graduated in my university at University Kuala Lumpur with a pointer of a CGPA of 3.81. Okay, while doing all of this ambassador program certifications. I did events too, a lot of events if you guys want to know. But still, the CGPA is just a number, 3.81. It doesn't really affect you if you do it at your own pace. So if you ask me whether it is hard or not, it is not hard if you can manage your time wisely. it,
Okay.
all right, sure. Thank you,
Thank you.
Ukail. Yeah. Anyone else in the floor want to ask any question?
Hello.
Hello, yeah, hello. How shall I call you?
You can call me Tivia.
Hi, Tivia.
Okay,
Yes.
hi. Sorry, I just have a question. So,
Mhm,
if I apply,
mhm.
and how do I know that we are accepted, or how fast will we get the reply? Can I know?
All right. So, student ambassador. I mean, like we have 4 cohort each year. Do you guys know what is cohort? Cohort is like an intake for student ambassador. The first intake would be on in January. The second intake will be on April. The fourth intake will be on September, and the fifth cohort will be on November. All right. So if you guys wanna apply for that, you need to wait for the cohort to end because right now they are opening a cohort for November cohort. All right. So if you guys apply now, you will get the results by January. January or yeah, January. You'll get the result by January. If you guys apply on January, you will get to the next cohort, which is on April. All right. You will get a rejection email from Microsoft if you didn't make it to the program. But if you like if you happen to be onboarding our program, the MLSA program, you will be greeted with Microsoft email, and you will be required to sign in to claim your student ambassadors email addresses and join in the Microsoft Teams community of Microsoft Learn Student Ambassador. Does that answer your question, Tivia?
Yes, thank you.
Welcome. Any other questions from the floor? I saw a lot of people.
Um,
Hmm?
Sorry,
Yes.
I got one question.
How shall I call you?
Anas, by the way.
Anas.
I don't
Yeah.
know. Yeah, I don't know how to put my own name from this username.
Yeah.
So I just want to ask,
Yeah. Hmm?
if I apply student ambassadors,
Yeah.
right?
Yeah.
Is there any like I don't know, like other than Microsoft bot chat? Is there also like Discord chat or anything that's you can do or you can learn
Oh,
like
I
a
see.
subject?
Of course, of course. In Microsoft Learn Student Ambassador, we are given a lot of league. You need to enter at least one league, right, Nabila? Yeah, you need to
Yes.
yeah, you need to enter at least one league. Can you see my screen here? Microsoft Teams. All right. This is Microsoft Teams for the student ambassador. All right. You can see here we have league like AI, artificial intelligence, and machine learning. We have data analytics. We have digital accessibility. If you guys are keen to support the disabled people, and then we have low code development, our platform, the chatbot that we discussed now, and many more. You can view it. I think yeah, you can view it in here. No, here. Which one? Lake. All right, files. Lake overview. Okay. Okay, we have. Okay, yeah, we have AI and machine learning, we have data analytics, we have emerging technology, Internet of Things, mobile and web development, low code developments. There are a lot of things that you can learn. This is the technical league, and you can also join in the social impact league. Let's say, for example, if you guys want to be an ambassador for people who are disabled or people to encourage people on pursuing education, so you can go to that particular league as well. You can go to the green tech and healthcare league also if you guys want to. So in Microsoft, we are diverse in our specializations. Like I myself, I'm specialized in cloud. Actually, I'm specialized in cloud. I have a lot of Azure certifications and Microsoft 365. And Nabila here, she is specialized in Microsoft Power Platform. So we can pursue anything that we are interested to pursue in, right? So it is up to you guys. It's very flexible. You are not forced to join anything that you don't want to actually by joining this event. You can ask my my juniors if you guys want to know uh, about the program. Did I ever push them to their limits? No, I haven't, right? So so basically you are free to do whatever you want being a student Microsoft Learn Student Ambassador, but you need to adhere to some specific code of conduct as well. All right. Does that answer your question, Anas?
Yes, yes.
All right.
And also, I want to know, like, is it free or it has to be paid or something?
Okay.
I didn't listen actually.
Yeah, sure. Microsoft Wins, I mean, like you are. I mean, like this program is exactly free, of course. It is targeted to students community. So why should they charge us as a student to learn and get benefits from them, right? So it's completely free, unless if you guys want to join in Microsoft Certified Trainer. That one is annual program. It's an annual program. You need to pay a fee, a sum of fees to be in that particular community. But the benefits are very, very huge. Okay. But for Microsoft Learn Student Ambassador, it is all free. You will not be charged for anything. Does that answer your question, Anas?
Yes, thank you very much.
You're welcome. So anyone else want to ask me questions regarding MLSA before I proceed to the next one? Mm-hmm.
In the chat box, someone asked,
Mm-hmm.
"Hi, I'm Hazwa. I'm kind of interested of joining this MLSA. Can
Mm-hmm.
we join this while we are working? I mean, when we are no longer a student. Can
Of
we?"
course. Of course, yeah. Like I myself, I have graduated. I am a fresh graduate from University Kuala Lumpur, and I'm still working. And I want to continue my ambassadorship when doing master's degree. And actually, right now I am enrolling for a master's degree program. You just need to update your profile there, and then update your new university, and then update your program informations, your course informations. So they they will not. I mean, like you can actually like graduate from being a Microsoft Learn Student Ambassador. That one, if you don't want to pursue any educations anymore, but if you want to pursue educations, of course, you can actually working while doing ambassadorship at the same time. Yeah, like I myself, because I'm planning to do my master's degree. Wish me luck. It would be a tough one, but wish me luck. All right. Does that answer your question? I think so lah. Okay. Any other questions from the members of the floor? I think that's all. So thank you so much for asking a lot of questions regarding the event, the program. I really, really appreciate it. I want you guys to be able to join the program because this program has a lot of benefits. Um, I welcome you guys. Another thing is we will do a recruitment event somewhere around November. So stay tuned. We will nominate you guys if you guys make it to our interview session. So don't worry, we will nominate you and invite you sincerely to our program. All right. So enough talking about Microsoft Learn Student Ambassador. Let's talk about Power Platform. Okay, so this is I mean, like most of the Power Platform components, they are used in businesses. Okay, but if you want to use in your productivity in your daily life, of course you can. All right. So before that, I want to suggest you guys to look at the certification that are I'm sorry for that, certifications that Microsoft actually wants us to promote to you guys. This is a PL 900 certifications, Microsoft Power Platform Fundamentals. If you find anything that interests you in my presentation after this, you can go to this particular page and then schedule for an exam. I will ask you. I will give you the slides, the trainings if you want to. If you want to, maybe we can do next sessions for us to continue this particular workshop in the future. If you guys are interested to. If you guys don't want to, then we can proceed to new topics or subjects. All right. So let's start our lesson. Okay. Like I said earlier, all right. This is very weird. Taskbar setting. All right. Okay. So in this lesson, you will learn the components and features of Microsoft Power Platform. We have 4 of them. And then we can identify when to use each Microsoft Power Platform components applications to create business solutions. Of course, it is mainly focusing on business. But if you guys want to use this on your FYP or something, or some of your projects, of course, you're welcome to do so. Some of university in Malaysia, they offered a course of Power Platform as well. So you guys are free to look at the course whenever you want. And then in this course, you will learn the value of using Microsoft Power Platform to create business solutions. Okay, and then like I said earlier, Microsoft Power Platform has 4 components. We have Power BI, we have Power Apps, Power Automate, and Power Virtual Agents. Power BI, I mean, like I will explain to you guys roughly what is Power BI. Power BI is a visual data tool. Okay, if you want to visualize data, you of course in business we don't want to see only numerical and boring graphs like this, what we call it, line graph. We don't want to see that because I mean it is not interesting, right? So in the eyes of a clients, of a boss, they don't particularly understand the numerical variables that we show to them. So in order for us to beautify the data, we can use Power BI. And Power BI can be used to forecast data. Let's say, for example, if we have this particular set of data, we can forecast data out of that. In business insight, you can also use that as what we call it, business intelligence kind of thing. We can forecast our revenue. We can forecast our losses, our profits using Power BI too. We have a lot of AI solutions in that particular software. And then we have Power Apps. If you guys are very interested in doing applications, mobile applications, but you don't want to learn any coding, you don't want to learn any programming, you can use this. This is just like, I mean, like if you are able to look at this, maybe after this, I will explain to you how to use Power Apps to make your apps. I mean, this particular software, this particular service, Power Apps, is very, very easy to use, and you can create your own app without having any prior knowledge of of programming or coding, whatsoever things like that. You just need to have a logic application mind, right? And then we have Power Automate, process automations. In this event, have you guys received any welcome email? All right. So those welcome email is basically generated from Microsoft Form that you guys have already input your name and your email there. So I will show you a little bit on how to do that as well. Just next. And then we come to to the last component of Microsoft Power Platform, which is the Microsoft Virtual Agents, which is the chatbot uh, that will be presented by Nabila after this. All right, and all of these four components uses these three things: data connectors, AI builders, and Dataverse. Okay, we will see what is these three next. Okay. The goal of building an apps with Power Apps is to build highly customized tasks and role-based Canvas app with data from one or multiple sources. Let's say, for example, if you have data sources like Microsoft Excel, like Microsoft SQL database, you can take all of the database there, and then you can you can display it in a variable inside of Power Apps. All right, you don't need to declare anything in programming wise. You just need to declare it in Power Apps. I will show you in the next I think workshop, because we are running low of time here. And then we can generate immersive model driven apps starting from your data model and business processes. You have a data, and then you have business processes, and also you can have an apps too in one go. Imagine you can save a lot of time there. You don't need to learn new things. You just need to create your own processes. You have to define your data, and then you just design your apps. It's very simple and easy for enterprise user. Okay, this is practically useful for people who has large businesses. I mean, SME, small medium enterprise also can use this, but I think it would benefit those kind of companies, those kinds of businesses. And then it consume fully accessible apps across web and mobile, embedded or standalone on any devices. You can test you can test your apps that you have designed just now, that you have did like a drag and drop in that particular Power Apps platform. You can test your apps on the go, okay, in your iPhones, in your iPad. You can test it anywhere. All right, so it is a real-time processes, and it's very, very quick to deploy, so you won't be disappointed by these services. Okay. And then using Power Automate, I don't want to confuse you with anything. So right now, let me show you on how to do a Power Automate flow. You will see what I meant, what I mean just now. Okay. So first of all, if you want to open Power Automate platform, you need to go to powerautomate.microsoft.com. Okay. And then click on enter. Okay. If you are a University Kuala Lumpur student, UniKL student, you can sign in with your student email, to get a Microsoft Power Platform for free. I think anyone who had enterprise, who are into Microsoft 365, who are on Microsoft 365 E1, E3, E5 will also get this. So let me sign in with my student ambassador account. Okay, sign in. Yes. Right. Okay, so right now you must be wondering what is this? Okay, so I mean, let's say for example, if you want to if you want to send a welcome email to any of the people who complete their form, who complete their Microsoft form, this is just a simple process automations that I want to show you guys. All right, let's say for example, I want to create, let's see, to create. Email from Microsoft form from shared mailbox. Okay, this one. Okay. All right. So I want to automate a solution here. Okay, like in this event right now. Let's say for example, I want to send a welcome email to all of the participants that completed my Microsoft form. Of course, if you have like a 500 people that join your event, it will be very very hard for you guys to send email manually to each and one of the participants, right? So how to do that? How to automate all of that, right? So first of all, you need to open the Microsoft Power Platform, and then you need to actually connect your Microsoft Form account here. Okay, and then Microsoft 365 Outlook as well, and click on continue. In the meantime, I will open my Microsoft Form, um, Microsoft Form from Microsoft. Okay, and create a new quiz. All right. So let's say, for example, if I want people to put in their email. Is your, oh, sorry, this is not it. This is a quiz form. All right, untitled form. Is a quiz new form. Okay, what is your name? Okay, add new choice. It's a test. I will automate. Okay, all right. Question. Okay, add new text. What is your name? Okay. Answer text. What is your email? Okay. Okay. So let's say, for example, if we have two fields here in which that we need to enter our name and also our email. Okay. Make sure this form is actually connected to your Power Automate platform. Right. So first of all, you need to click on our, sorry, you need to click on our form here. Okay, and then okay, this one too. And then this one, you need to, you can also see the dynamic contents here where yeah, you can add a dynamic content because we can't really specify data that we don't have, right? So the data is actually coming from the Microsoft form, which comes from the user itself. So we can add dynamic content here from the form. So settings, anyone can respond. All right, cool. Click on share, copy. All right. Okay. You can add the email here. So what is your email? So this is the questions that I asked just now. What is your email? So let's click on this one. It's your email. Okay, to we can add a dynamic content as well, right? Which is what is your name? Where is the name? What's your full name? Add new text. What is your full name? All right. All right. So here, original mailbox address. All right. This one is your email too. All right. Okay. So let's try to. An email from no, not this one. Okay. Let's try to delete this. Okay. News tab. All right, you will learn what is all this after this. This is called connectors. Connectors connectors is a services that you can connect in an automated processes or an automated flow. So if you guys want to use Microsoft Teams to create, I mean, like let's say for example, if a people has already sent in their Microsoft form submission, they can also like add the user to Microsoft Team as well. But in this case, I want the process, I want the flow to send me an email on behalf of me to the participants. So all I can see here is email, mail. All right. Send an email notifications. All right. Two, what is your email? Subject, MLSA test or automate. Okay. Body, hi. What is your name? Okay. So right now what I'm doing is actually I take the data from Microsoft Form, which is the email which is the email that the participant actually input in their Microsoft form. And then the body is I call out the name that is actually filled in by the participant, right? Let's test this flow. Save. Okay. All right, so your flow is ready to go. We recommend you to test it. So let's test it. Okay. Want to answer this? Okay, what is your name? Suzaril Shah. Suzaril. Email Suzaril Shah at gmail.com. All right, submit. All right, your response was submitted. So I am supposed to receive an email from Microsoft Power Platform. So here, the email has already arrived on my iPad. Let's see the email. Gmail.com. All right, you can see here, Microsoft Power Automate is actually sending the email on my behalf. See, that's Power Automate. It automates your processes, your simple processes, and reduce your, I mean like, and increase your productivity and reduce your time to send your email one by one to the participant. So this is what we did by using Microsoft Power Automate in hosting any events in Microsoft Learn with Ambassador. But if you guys don't want to use this, it's up to you too, of course. But this is one of the simple cases that I can show you guys on the use cases of this particular platform. All right, continue with the slides. All right. I'm sure that you guys have already understand what is the uses of Microsoft Automate. And then Power BI, like I said earlier, it connects to all of your data and get a consolidated view across your business through a single pane of glasses. Imagine you have a Microsoft Excel full of data, and you can use Microsoft Power BI to create a dashboard like this, a beautiful dashboard. So this beautiful dashboard is actually generated by the the data that we have given to them. And then if you want to if we want to forecast the data inside of the Power BI, you can do so. You know, they have an artificial intelligence engine that can process all of the data to become a forecast for you, to show your forecasted data, forecasted profits, forecasted loss, if you are using this. Okay, and then it will create an ad hoc analysis, live dashboard, and interactive reports that are easy to consume on the web and across the mobile devices. It's very, very nice. I mean, like, let's say, for example, if you have like a, profit that you have in the in this quarter, you want to compare it with the previous quarter, you can also do that anywhere across your devices, like iPads, like your iPhones, and many more. And then you can build smart apps by infusing insight from your data and drive actions with the power of Microsoft Power Platform. Okay, so those data that you have actually have in Power BI, all of the beautiful visual data representations can be integrated into Microsoft Power Apps. Imagine how cool is that? Okay, so those four components, Microsoft Power BI, Power Apps, Power Automate, and virtual agents, they can actually interact with each other, okay, to provide you with a seamless automation processes, right? So this is the advantages of using Microsoft Power Platform. Okay, this one I believe Nabila will explain to you guys. I don't want to interrupt with her with her expertise. All right. So, like I said earlier, if you want to work with it in Power BI or Power apps, you need to have like a data sources. Okay, you need to have a data like if you guys have ever familiar of Microsoft 365 Dynamics, that one has a lot of data. They have like customers tracking. They have a data of user of customers, in which that if they have any other problems, they can track the solutions. They can track the problems. This will be very, very beneficial for you guys if you are working in that particular line of field. And then this database, it can extend to your own needs and integrate across your apps and services. This is I'm just repeating things right now as at this point. But of course, I mean, they have a lot of integrations in Microsoft Automate. Okay. Data connectors. Okay, data connectors are available to be used in multiple products. Like I said earlier, just now, in here, yeah, in here they are all connectors. These are all of the connectors. You can, I think they have integration with WhatsApp. No, 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 they haven't yet. But you can use some of the connectors. Connector is services that you can integrate in your automation processes. You can have Excel, MSN, Mail, Microsoft Teams, and many more. Yeah, yeah, Adobe as well, desktop flows. Yeah, and many more. You can always explore this at your own time. All right. And then, of course, I mean, you can also do a custom connectors. User can also create their own custom connectors in order to match up with their requirements. Sometimes a client want a requirements more than the default connectors that we have here. So you can do so. You can create custom connectors using 3 different approaches. Okay, like using a blank custom connector, or from an open API definition, or from a Postman collection. So you will learn all of this in Microsoft Power Platform syllabus. I want you guys to fill in the event feedback if you want to know about this more. I can extend this kind of explanations to you guys in the next workshop. If you don't, then I will assume that you guys will not be interested in that particular subject. But yeah, of course, I look forward to explain more of this next time. I think I'm running low in time. I don't want to interrupt Nabila's time. And then also we have 2 data sources for connectors. Like I said earlier, we have tabular data and function-based data. So a tabular data is basically a source. A tabular data is I mean, like, is one of the written data in a structured table format. Think of this as a programming. I mean, like if you have any programming backgrounds, you will know. I mean, like, sometimes we have return zero, return value, something like that. So we can also take all of those in what we call it, in data sources. We have a variable that we need to declare, right? So let's say, for example, if that particular variable or object is declared to be to have that kind of value, we can also take that particular data too, you know. And then we have function based data. A function based data source is one that uses function to interact with data sources. Okay. Okay, so I think this is, yeah, this is one of the last one. Okay, so once you have established all of the things that I said earlier, you I mean, like, establish a data source and configure your connector. There are two types of operations you can use. Okay, first of all, you can use the connector to trigger to prompt a trigger flow. Okay, for your automation processes. Trigger is something that you can use. I mean, like, think of this as a process. Okay, you want to create a process where it has two options. Okay, which one they will uh, th- which one will it go depends on the decisions, or depends on the conditions that user determines, right? So uh, I mean, like, this trigger, it works similarly like that. Okay, and then we have actions, which let's say, for example, if we define which user needs to go where. Okay, we can definitively define what is it going to be next. You can use action operations in your automation processes. Okay, I think this one you need to you need to do it your hands on, right? After this, maybe we can look into doing a lab environment for you guys, if you guys want to, in the next workshop. But I will be there to guide you guys on how to do this. All right. And then to summarize all, Power Platform helps to add value to any business by analyzing, acting, and automating all of the build custom apps in Power Apps, automate processes with Power Automate, analyze data with Power BI, and build powerful chatbots with Power Virtual Agents. All right. I think that is all from me. Thank you. I have to go to my work right now. I passed this stage to Nabila. I hope you did well. I hope you will do well. If you have any other questions, please send a question in the live chat. I will also be here at the same time to monitor the live chat. So if you have any other questions, then I will answer that. So Nabila, are you ready for your next session?
Yes, I am.
Yeah, sure. I will pass this session to you if you guys doesn't have any other questions. Before that, before I leave this session, do you have any other question? Question from the members of the floor?
Sorry, I got one.
Yeah. What should I
Uh,
address you?
Anas. It's Anas
Anas.
again.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Anas again. Yeah. Hey.
So as you like you demonstrate everything, I'm kind of like confused a little bit.
Mhm.
So it's like how do I say?
Mhm.
Um, is it very complicated to do that? Like when you do it alone,
Mhm.
like you want to do something that allow you to how do how to explain this?
Never mind. Just take your time.
But uh, in simple way,
Uh-huh.
like how do you do this to make it complete?
I
Um,
see. I see. All right. So you don't need to do everything on from scratch, you know. You can use the template that are given here. right? In Power Automate, you have a lot of template. It's all the same with Power BI, Power Virtual Agent. I think Nabila will show you after this. We have a complete template for you guys to use. Okay, so you don't really need to define everything from scratch, and it's very, very easy to use. Okay, let's say for example, if I want to create like an approval here, sorry, if I want to, if you want to have like an approval flow, of course we can start from a template here, right? Okay, we can have a follow up on message. These are all of the templates that you can use to define your own automation processes. Okay, it's just you need to connect to your to these particular services before you can use them. Right now, the template require me to connect to Microsoft Teams and Office 365 services. So I have already defined that in this particular accounts, and then just click on create flow, right? And wait for a little while. Okay, see? And then just click on edit here. And it's already been defined to you. You just need to connect your data sources and define what features that you want to use, what functions and features that you want to use. In this case, in my case before, my data sources would be the Power Platform. But of course, the Microsoft form is actually holding an Excel form here, right? So from this Excel template, okay, you see, from this Excel template, we can record the responses and then use them for our automation processes, for our automation flow, right? So don't worry about how to do it, how this will. I mean, like, is it complicated? It's not complicated. You just need to define your data. Okay, you need to define your data connectors, which is your services that you want to use, and then you need to define the actions or a trigger that you want to use, which is the operations that I say just now, right? So does that answer your question, Anas? It's very, very easy and simple. Don't worry.
Yeah. All right. I get it now.
Yeah, yeah. Sure, sure.
Thank you
Thank you,
so much.
Anas. You're welcome. You're welcome. Anyone else from the members of the floor before I leave to my leave for my work? Anyone? The student ambassador can also ask me question if you want to. Nothing. All right, so I think I will end my session here. I will pass the stage to Nabila. Nabila, don't be nervous. Don't be nervous. You can do this. I'm going to my work right now. If you have any other questions, you can reach me out personally at suzarilshah@gmail.com. But I will try to stay here as long as this event stays. Okay, so good luck, Nabila.
Okay, thank you, Suzari.
All right.
Okay, so let's move on to my session. So let me share the screen first. Oops. Can you see my screen?
Yes. I
Yes,
can see
Nabila.
your
Yeah,
screen.
yes.
Yeah.
Okay. So, okay, hi and a very good evening to all. First, I would like to introduce myself first. So, again, my name is Siti Nabila, and you guys can call me Nabila. I am a Alpha Microsoft Learn Student Ambassador. So I'm going to share and guide you guys how to build a simple chatbot by using Power Virtual Agent. So are you guys excited? Because I am. Okay, so before we start creating a simple chatbot, let's answer the poll. You guys can scan the QR code. I give you 2 minutes to answer. It's just a simple poll. Okay, have you done it? Okay, have you scanned the QR code?
Yes.
Okay, nice.
Yes.
So, okay, let's see the result. Oh, okay. I'm not expected that you you know the chatbot, but okay, it's okay. Those who didn't haven't heard about the chatbot, I will tell you guys what is chatbot and how to build it and how the chatbot goes or works. Okay, so oh, since there's a lot of you know chatbots, so we don't need to proceed this session lah. Eh? Okay, let's move on to this slide. Okay. So I will introduce a little bit about the chatbot. So you will get an idea what is chatbot about. So chatbot is came from a chat robot. So it is a computer program that stimulates or triggers human conversation. For example, via voice or text communication. Chatbot also can be as a digital assistant that can understand human capabilities, and it also can be deployed across the websites, apps, or even the messaging channels. Okay, so how chatbot works actually? So these are three steps, the main three steps how chatbot works. So the first step is the bot interprets the user intent, and the second one process the request, and last but not least prompt the relevant answer. Okay, I give you an example to get a better understanding about chatbot. So let's say there is a one user who asks a bot about the opening of the music class, for example. So what chatbot do is it will take the user request or user's question and process by following the flow that we created. We're going to create the chatbot, and we are going to see the flow of the chatbot later. Okay. So after finishing the process and recognizing all the user's input, it will prompt the relevant answer. So maybe the answer could be the opening hours starts 8 a.m. to 6 p.m., for example. So we will learn more details about the chatbot later, okay? So don't worry. So let's watch a simple video about the chatbot.
In today's world, messaging has become one of the more popular methods of communication. Whether it's through text messages or messenger apps, it's how a lot of people prefer talking with one another. Because of this, businesses are developing chatbots that you can message and talk to as if they were human. In fact, you may even think you're talking to a human when it's actually a chatbot. More and more businesses are using them for online customer service, to resolve issues and answer simple questions. A few are even developing shopping assistants to give you recommendations when you're looking for a certain product. There are currently two different types of chatbots. The first uses a certain set of rules, meaning that they can only respond to specific words or commands. So if you don't use the correct phrasing, the chatbot may not know how to respond. These bots are only as intelligent as they're programmed to be. The second type of chatbot uses artificial intelligence. This means that it can understand language, and you can speak with it more conversationally, as if it were a real person. These chatbots will also get smarter over time, learning from each conversation they have with their users. As this technology continues to evolve, more companies will use chatbots as a way to engage with and assist their audiences.
Goodwill Community Foundation.
Okay, so I hope that all of you can get the idea what is chatbot about. Okay, so move on to the Power Visual Agent. So Power Visual Agent is a part of Microsoft low code in Power Platform. As Sudhir explained earlier, Power Visual Agents is under Power Platform. So it doesn't need a complicated coding. It just need low code, which is just applying a drag and drop, what else, creating a flow, and also creating a branch. So we will learn details and we will learn to create a chatbot using Power Visual Agent soon. Okay. Next, so let's watch another video.
By now, you've probably heard of virtual agents, those amazing little bots that have, well, virtually transformed customer service. But have you heard of Power Virtual Agents? They're new from Microsoft. And what makes them so powerful, you ask? Well, they're even easier to use for all kinds of things beyond just customer service. You can use them for HR, sales, any domain or channel imaginable. Virtually anywhere you want to engage customers. On the web, Skype, Facebook, Power Apps, you name it. You can build a Power Virtual Agent for that. They're super easy to build too. Anyone can do it. There's no code to get started, no AI expertise needed, and you can be up and running in minutes. But if you want to add code or, say, some more complex capabilities, Microsoft's Cognitive Services and Bot Framework is just a few clicks away, so you can go as deep as you like. And because they're already integrated with Microsoft's Power Platform, you can use hundreds of pre-built connectors, so your bot can talk to your back-end systems with just a few clicks, or easily add capabilities, like using Microsoft Power Automate to call an API. Lastly, they're powerfully smart, learning every day, and using AI to suggest new topics to build as users interact with it. So, ready to make your own Power Virtual Agent? Just head on over to aka.ms/trypva and try it free for a limited time and unlock what's next.
Okay, we move on to the next point. Okay, Power Visual Agents apply easy to use graphical interface concept, which is like I said earlier, we don't need a complicated code. We don't need to be a developer or a scientist or even a programmer to use these Power Visual Agents. Okay, students also can learn and test to build a simple chatbot by using Power Visual Agents. Okay, as you can see here, there is a picture down below. On my right side, we have a workspace where we can create our flow of our chatbot here. So on my left side, we have a test chat box where we want, if you want to test our chatbot during creating a flow, you just test with this test chatbot. Okay. Okay, next, Power Visual Agents can configure and deploy to multiple channels. Okay, these are the channels that has been offered by Power Visual Agents that can be linked. So when we have a complete chatbot, we can link with another channels. For example, Microsoft Teams, demo website, custom website, Facebook, or even a Telegram, and many more. So we are going to learn how to link our chatbot with the Microsoft Teams by using Power Automate. Okay. So let's go to the demo session. Okay, I'm going to demo how we build a chatbot. First, you just search the Power Visual Agent, and then choose the first link here. If you are new, just click Start Free. If you already used this Power Visual Agent, just sign in as usual. So you are required to use your student email in order for you to use Power Visual Agent. So yeah, okay, let's sign in. Okay, so these are the home page of the Power Visual Agent. So as you can see here, there is a test chat bot, and if you want to hide the bot, you can click here. Okay. First of all, we want to create a bot, right? So just click the robot icon and click new bot. So just name any bot that you want. For example, I already create Lisa. So you just name Lisa here and select any language that you are suitable with. For example, English. And then for environment, just stick with the Microsoft Students partner and then create. Okay. Okay, it takes a while to the apps to create our new chatbot. Okay, after settle the creation of chatbot, you can go to the topics. Okay, so as you can see here, there is a list of topics. There are certain topics that already created by the apps itself. For example, thank you, start over, confirm failure, and many more. So I already used the virtual agents. So there is a topic that I already created, piano lesson, swimming lesson, openness hour. So if you want to add new topic, just click on the new topic and name any topic that you want. For example, let's say I want to create a chatbot for my class, my music class. So I will offer like 2 lessons for my class, which is piano lessons and also guitars lesson. So let's say we create a main topic first. Okay, Music Academy. And trigger phrases. Trigger phrases is actually a trigger phrase from the bot to begin a conversation about the particular topic. So you may insert as many as you want for the trigger phrases. If user use or trigger any words that you've been said, it will trigger this topic. Okay. For example, music class, academy. I'm interested. Join. To join. So you just add and as many as you want. So there is a friendly name, is an optional, and also the description. So after add new topic, after creating new topic, don't forget to save. Just click the save icon. Okay, it may take a while. Wait, yeah. And okay, topic save. So we can see our new topic here. Okay, move on to the entities. Okay, as you can see, we have a lot of entities. So what the function of entities actually? So entities is used for the bot to identify specific information from the user's response. So let's say let's say we ask for the age of the user. So user can enter numbering or even a word. For example, age can be number 40. For example, 40 years old, 40. Or you can or user can enter full text, full sentence, which is FORTY, years old. Okay, it still can scan and identify the input. So we have many more: email, percentage, weight, temperature. Okay, you can explore itself. So we have an analytic page where we can see the progress of our session, um, session of using a chatbot, our chatbot. We can also see the progress of escalation rate, customer satisfaction, also total session. Okay, it's quite slow. Okay. Okay, it's okay. Let's move on. Oh yeah, okay. Sorry, it appeared. So we can see how many rate, how many total session that we have that has been used, and we can also update. Okay, it also offer topic triggering, customer satisfaction, sessions, and also billing. Okay, we go to the publish page. It is where we let's say we already complete our complete chatbot, and you need to publish it. So just click to the public button, and after finish the publish, you go to the demo website. So it will go to the next tab, the new tab. So you can test your chatbot here. Okay. So from here we can see the flow of your flow of your chatbot. Okay, so we have a manage details, channel security skills, and AI capabilities. So let's say you want to rename your bot, just go to the details and rename your bot. So let's say you don't want to put Lisa, you want to put Mary. You also can change the icon, okay? So don't forget to save. Okay, so let's start creating a chatbot. So I already create a main topic, which is Music Academy. So just go to the authoring canvas. So as we can see here, this is a workspace where we create a flow of our chatbot, of our conversation with the user. Okay, let's say when user trigger any of these phrases, it will appear this message. So let's say I want to display this message. Okay. I already did. Okay. So when user triggers any of these phrases, it will appear a new message, which is all the details about the Music Academy. So I provide the times of piano lessons, guitar lesson, age availability, and a contact number. So let's say I want to ask the user, do you interested to join any class that I've been offered? So I will choose ask a question. So let's say I ask, do you interested on any class? Okay, so we need to identify the entities or the option here. For example, I want the output. I want the output either true or false. So I would choose Boolean. So I need to change the variables to any name, just name it. Let's say I choose music. Okay, so when I choose Boolean, it will go to two condition, either true or false, right? So let's choose add a condition and select a variable. Let's say this is a true flows and this is a false flow. Okay, let's say user interested to join the class, the lesson. So it will appear oops, sorry. Let's say I want to ask, which lesson do you want to join? Which lesson do you want to join? Like I said earlier, we offer two lessons, right? Guitar lesson and also piano lesson. So we can choose multiple choice option. For example, guitar lessons. Another option is piano lessons. So let's change the variable. What else? Okay, music type. Okay, so as you can see here, there is a two condition, which is guitar's lessons flow or guitar's lesson condition, and also piano lessons. So if user choose guitar's lesson, it will go to this flow. Okay. So let's say I want to link, or I want to make a separate topic. For example, this one is music academy topics, right? So I want to make guitar lessons topic, which is a new topic. So I'm going to link the other topic with this main topic, music academy. So what I need to do is, let's save it first. Okay, okay, topic save, and go to the list of topic, and we create a new topic. For example, guitar lesson topic. So any words that triggers topic, guitar lessons, guitar class. What else? I think that's enough. Okay, and don't forget to save. Okay, topic saved. So let's go to the authoring canvas, the workspace. So this is a new topic, which is guitar's lesson topic, and we want to ask the details the user input. Okay. For example, if this topic is triggered by the user, it will show the message. It will show this message. Thank you for this and choosing our lesson. For that, oh yeah, I want to make a new message box. So a new show message. Before we proceed, we will ask. We need some details from you. We need details from you. Okay, let's say we want to ask the name of the user or customer that are interested to join, age, phone number, and also email. So we just ask a question. What's your name? What's your name? And we need to identify suitable variable or entity. Let's say we want to ask name, right? So just choose person name and change the variable into name. It doesn't matter if you want to use capital letters or not, okay? Name. So we want to ask more. How old are you? How old are you? So we need to choose age. Okay, for the variables, change it to age. Okay, let's ask more. What's your email? What's your email? And choose the email. Okay, so the bot only accept the email format from the user. Okay, just search email. Okay, what else? Phone number, last one. Ask question. What, oops, what is, what? So just choose the phone number here. Okay, and then change the variable. Let's see. So okay. So after we ask all the question, to the user, we want all the details, all the input from the user will be shown in the Microsoft Team. Like I said before, we want to link the chatbot with the Microsoft Teams, right? So we are going to, let's say I already create the group or teams for my music academy class. So here, okay, there is an example here. Let's say I want to display like this. So how I'm going to do this? I'm going to teach you. So let's go to the call and action and create a flow. So from here, we use Power Automate to link it. Okay, so let's change the template first. Guitar lessons group. Let's say just name it and any name. Okay, and choose an input. And from here, we want all the input to be displayed, right? So just choose text and set name. For this box, just leave like this. Oops, sorry. I want to display age, right? So it should number. Okay, and what else? Email. Last one, phone number. Okay, I choose text for phone number because if I choose a number, it will turn error. Just text. Okay, after you complete doing this, just click the plus button and add an action. So you want to link with the Microsoft Teams, right? So just search Microsoft Teams. Okay, click here, and there is a lot of types that action that has been offered. So you want to post it in a channel, right? So just choose post message in a chat or channel. Okay, so it will appear like this, post as a flow bot. Okay, don't change it and post in channel. Okay, for the team, I choose music academy class. So I want to link with the music academy group, right? Teams. So for the channel, as general. Okay, so let's say I want the message appear like this. You have new inquiry. Just use it at dynamic content. Let's say name. So it will accept any input from the user if we ask name. Else age. Where is age? You also can search from here. What else? Email. Okay, last one, number. Okay. So after you've done it, just save. Okay, it's still saving. Okay, wait a minute. Okay, so it's already saved. So go back to the Power Virtual Agents, your workspace. So we want to link with the guitar lesson topics, right? So what I'm going to do is click this add button and go to the call and action and choose guitar lessons group, for example. So let's say, okay, these are the action box and we need to choose and select suitable variable. Let's say for name, let's choose name, age, email, and also phone number. Okay, done. So after the details of the user has been updated in the Microsoft Teams, we want to display thank you message. So just show a message. Thank you. Thank you. Okay, let's say we want to call the variable that we have made. For example, we choose name. So when we set like this, when we apply variables or call the variables here, it will accept any inputs or any inputs from the user. Okay, so you don't have to do manually and just don't have to type your customer's name manually. Okay, just put a variable name. So we will send further info. And I want to use a variable email. Okay. See. Oh, okay, we have done. So let's save. Save it. And if you want to test, just go to the test Chatbot box and make sure you on the track between topics so you can see so you can track the topics that you are currently at. For example, let's say the trigger phrases is what else? Okay, guitar lessons. Okay, thank you for trusting us and choosing guitar lessons. Before we proceed, we need some details from you. What's your name? For example, Susie. How old are you? 19. What's your email? Susie at gmail.com. You also can track the variable from here. The bot will accept the input from the user and display here. So what's your phone number? Let's say blah 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 blah. Okay. Here we go. So it will thank you, Susie. We will send further information on and Susie's email. As you can see here, it auto call the variable name and also the variable email. Okay, back to the topic, main topic. For example, music academy topics. We want to link guitar lesson topic and also piano lessons topic with the main topic. So what I'm going to do is just add node and go to another topic and link with the topic, guitar lessons. And this one, I already create the piano's lesson topic. So I just choose piano lessons topic. Okay, let's say we end the conversation and we survey. So if you want to link, if you want to end this conversation, you also can link like this. Yeah, as smooth as the butter. Okay, so don't forget to save. Okay. Oh yeah, I forgot. Back to the guitars lessons topic. I forgot to end the conversation. Okay, let's end the conversation first. Okay, save. So it's time to publish our chatbot. Okay, so let's go to the publish. Okay, your latest content has been published. This will become available to your users in about a minute. Okay, so just click to the demo website. Okay, so let's try. Hi. Hi, I'm Lisa. You can ask me about the Music Academy. If you like to speak to a human agent, let me know at any time. So what can I help you with today? Let's say I'm interested to join Music Academy. Okay, it will appear the details of Music Academy. Hi, here are the details about our Music Academy. So it will show like this. Do you interested to join any class? Yes, of course. Which lesson do you want to join? Let's say I want to join guitar lesson. Okay, starting from here, we directly go to the another topic, which is guitar lesson topic. So we can see that the main topic has been linked with the guitar lesson topic. So thank you for trusting us and choosing guitar lesson. Before we proceed, we need some details from you. What's your name? Nabila. How old are you? 20. What's your email? Let's say nabila@yahoo.com. What's your phone number? Okay. Thank you, Nabila. We will send further information on nabila@yahoo.com. Have a nice day. Okay, and it will end with the survey. Did I answer your question? Yes, of course. And you can rate your experience using the chatbot by giving any star that you want. If you are not satisfied with the chatbot, just choose 1 or 2. Okay? If you are satisfied, just give 5 star lah. Okay? Thank you for your feedback. Can I help you with anything else? No, thanks. Thank you for chatting with me. Bye. So we want to see a new inquiry or new customer that has been registered in our class, right? So we can see here. So we have Susie just now and Nabila. So from here, it will make our work easier. For example, we want to collect the data the details from the our new customers, or we want to update the details. We also can do in Microsoft Teams channel. Okay. Oh yeah, I forgot to tell you. If you want to delete your bot, just go to the bots panel icon. Sorry, general settings, and delete bot. Just name the bot that you want to delete and just go to the delete bot. Okay, so I think I already explained a full explanation about the chatbot. So do you have any question to ask? I think it's clear. No question? Because we have a quiz to choose 3 winners for the Windows 11. So do you have any question? You also can explore it by yourself. Okay, don't have. Okay, nice. So okay, we're back to the slides. So don't you have any question? You also can ask in Malay, don't worry. And you can also ask in chat as well. Chat. Oh no, no question. Amazing. Okay.
Hello, hello.
Oh, okay. Who's that?
My name is Muhammad Amir Ambi.
Okay, Amirul.
Okay. I want to ask about this chatbot. This chatbot can we use in ROS?
In what?
Robot operating system.
Sorry, I'm not clear.
Yeah, I have some project. I want to use a chatbot in my project. And I use a robot operating system, and that is in Ubuntu, Linux Ubuntu. So I want to use chatbot in my roles. They can this chatbot using Microsoft to link with roles. Can we?
I think if you want to choose if you want to use it for free, power which Microsoft only offer for the Microsoft Teams to get the free one. But if you want to upgrade your virtual agents, power virtual agents, you need to pay some dollars lah to link with the other channels. Does that answer your question?
Okay. So we need to pay for get any benefit
Yes.
Alright. Okay. Thank you.
Okay, welcome. Any question? Just ask anything that you want.
Yeah, don't be shy.
Yeah. I think there is no question. So.
Hello.
Okay. Who's that?
My name is Arif Kanda.
Oh,
So
Arif.
I have one question.
Okay.
So for example, before you show that your chatbot is Lisa, and then can you do another chatbots with the different name?
Yes, of course.
So in your account you have like 2 or more.
Yes, of course. So let me demo it first. Okay, you just go to the bot icon and just click new bot. So you can view the list of bots here. So let's say now I already have a Mary, so I want to add a new bot. So Alex. So just English, use English language and create. Okay, creating your bot. Okay. Okay, and just so we have a new bot, right, Alex? So we can view from here. Oops, sorry. From page. Okay, but it doesn't appear here, but it also can create another bot lah. Okay. Is that answer your question, Arif?
Okay, thank you.
Okay, thank you for asking. Okay, do you have any question regarding to the Power Virtual Agents?
I have a question.
Okay.
My name is Kamil.
Okay, Kamil.
So, can chatbot use Malay language?
Okay, let me check. I think cannot. I think cannot. Yeah, it's only offer English.
Yeah, basically this chatbot is standardized to have an English language rather than any other language. But I have seen in one of the forum, they said that they want to extend this kind of functions to different languages such as Malay, Chinese, Mandarin, and then I think Hindi also we does have that too. But yeah, stay tuned and keep up to date with this particular course in order to in order to learn more about it, and probably it can support more languages after that.
Yep.
Yeah.
Okay. So I think there is no question. So let's move on to the quiz. So are you guys excited for the quiz? So we are going to choose 3 winners, the highest score, and we will give a free Windows 11 to three persons. Okay, so let's do some quiz. So can you see my screen?
Yes,
Oh,
yes, yes. You can see it.
my God, you already see the question. It's okay. Okay. So this is a code, or maybe I can copy the link to the chat teams. Right. Okay, just click the link. Okay, let's try for Windows 11, guys.
Sorry.
Yeah, what's that?
We cannot, Mirza,
Okay, Miza.
cannot see the chat box.
Oh yeah, okay, you cannot see. Yeah, kalau if you cannot see, maybe you can enter this code. Just search quizzes.
Okay, okay.
Alright. Come on, guys. Okay, now we have Sarah, Aina, Haris, Farah, Kamil, Aida. Come on, guys. Haziq, Arif, Ahmad, Wawa.
Can I join as well?
Yes, of course. But if
Of
you
course.
want, I'm
Uh,
not going to give you Windows 11.
I
Just
also want the Windows 11 too. All right.
lah, give a chance to participants.
All right. All right. All right. Never mind lah. Cannot join lah. Don't want to join.
Okay. Okay, many more. Come on, guys. I think it's just a simple question. We have 11 questions regarding to the chatbot, our Power Virtual Agents, and also introduction to Power Platform. If you listen to the 2 sessions just now, listen carefully, inshallah you will get the answer. Okay. So already 49 participants. 50. Come on, guys. 51. 52. Okay, that's it. Anyone else want to join? Okay, no, eh? Okay, ready, guys? Okay, let's start. Okay, we will see who is going to win a Windows 11. Ooh. So we have Hasif in the first rank, and Zimek. That one is my friend. Hazi Azizan, right? Second place. Fai. Wow. We already see Sarah in the first rank. Come on, guys. Whoa. We have Amar, the first, and then he dropped to second rank. Okay, we have Zian Zaris, Kai in the first rank. Who changes to Amar back. Come on, guys.
I think Kai is my friend.
Oh yeah?
Yeah, I think so.
Wow. He get a second rank so far.
Yeah. Yeah.
Come on, guys. Amar still at the first rank until now. Maybe Amar can grab the Windows 11. We don't know.
Yeah. Let's see if he can. Come on, guys. Come on. You can do it.
Fun. Oh,
How many questions was there?
Amira get a first rank just now and then drop to second rank.
Oh.
Amar doesn't want a second rank, huh? He still want a first rank, huh? Okay. Come on, guys. Now we have Ama, Aini, and Emerald at the highest rank. Maybe they will grab the Windows 11? We don't know. So, come on, guys. Okay. Okay, we still have some people who didn't answer, who didn't finish yet. Okay, we'll wait. No worry. Okay, we have a 10% who haven't finished yet. Okay, we are going to wait. I will give 5 minutes more to finish. Oh, we have a new person at second rank. JM. Who's that? It's mysterious one. But Amar still at the first rank. Come on, guys. Oh, we have 6 players. Okay. You are not allowed to enter with another name, huh? Okay. Okay, maybe we can. Okay, we are okay. I think we can end this quiz. Should we? Okay, we wait. Ni lah. We wait. GM to finish his quiz first. Oh, okay. So it's already finished. Okay, it's okay. Okay, allow me to end this quiz, okay? So let's end. Oh yeah, before that, let's look at the highest rank. So we have Aini at third place,
Oh,
JM for
nice.
second rank, and the first and top highest is Ahmad Zulfaka. I think
What?
Ahmad is my friend.
Congratulations.
Yeah,
Congratulations.
congratulations to the winners. Okay, so let's end.
Congrats, Ama.
Congrats. Is he from Unical?
Yes. Ama, yes.
I see. Okay. That's nice. That's nice. How about this two, Aini and JM?
Yeah, Aini and JM.
JM so myserious.
Yeah. Make yourself appear to this
Come on,
you can
you just
unmute your mic. Yeah.
if you
Tell
don't
us.
want this level, you can give me.
Yeah. Yeah, tell us where are you from and what is your full name?
Yeah.
Yeah. JM, Aini, and Amar?
Shall we start with JM?
Yeah.
Hi, can you hear me?
Yeah.
My
Yeah.
name is Tae Junming. You can call me JM. I'm from UKM.
Oh.
UKM. Wow, nice. What are you studying, JM?
I'm studying information technology, IT.
Information technology. Oh, wow, that's great.
You are
That's
in the
great.
same field.
All right. Junming, later you can claim your product key at one of us from Nabila, from Izzat, or from Nasrin. All right.
Sure. Okay, thank you.
All right. All right. Sure. Next one.
Hello.
Aini? Oh, Ama.
Yes, Ama.
Hi.
My
Hi,
name is
Ama.
Ama Zulfaka. I'm from
Yeah.
MIIT.
Mm-hmm.
I take course software engineering.
Software engineering. What year are you right now?
What year? First year.
Oh yeah.
First year.
First year. Which semester? Yeah.
Second semester.
Oh, that's great to hear. That's great to hear. Later, please claim your product key to from Nabila. Yeah.
Oh, sure.
All right. Sure. Next, the next one. Aini. Do you
Aini.
have Aini?
Hi.
Hi.
Hi. My name is Naini binti Abdurrahman. I am
Mhm.
from UKMIT too.
Oh, I see. Studying what?
Software engineering.
Software engineering. Oh, we are dominated by software engineering students here. All right. Don't forget to claim your product keys from one of us. Please do contact us and reach us. I think we can release the feedback form to them.
Oh yeah. Okay, sure.
Yeah.
Okay, so we're going to give a link, or you may scan from here to complete the survey forms in order for you to obtain the certification. So you need to complete the survey form first, and then in the survey form there is a link where the link is used for the certification. So to generate certification, so you only have 50 minutes to do so. Any amendment or any changes regarding the details will not be entertained. So make
Alright.
sure you insert your first name, last name correctly, and also your email. So because we want to after this event, we want to blast the certification to your email.
Because we use an automation processes. If you guys didn't really enter your name properly, and then don't enter your email addresses properly, it will be sent to another email. All right, so it will not be you will not be able to reach that. And the thing is, if we want to amend each one of you, it will take a lot of time. So that's why we don't entertain any changes in your name or any in your email, because it is a hassle for us to do so. And then we have two feedback form. First of all, we have the trainer form. You need to complete that first before your event feedback form, because if you don't complete the trainer form, you will not be eligible for the attendance certificates that will be given and issued to you right after this event. Okay, so please fill in these two forms because we want to do better. So of course we want to know your feedback about this event. If you guys have any ideas or suggestions on what next workshop will be, you can also put it in the event feedback form. All right, and please do rate us as a trainer. To you guys, if you guys love us, then just rate us good and nice things and comments. If you don't like us, tell us here. Don't rate that in the feedback form because that form will be sent to Microsoft. I think that is all. Yeah. So take your time. I think you guys can fill in the form first before we generate the certificates out to you. Right? Do you want to take picture, have photo shoot sessions, and continue with this event first? Yes.
Maybe we can take the photo shoot first, and then we go back to the event feedback for those who have scanned the QR code.
All right, all right. Tell us if you don't get the link or the QR code, yeah?
Okay. So we move on to the photo shoot session. So those who are free, maybe you can turn on the camera so we can photo shoot together. Maybe we can make the together mode. Don't be shy, friend. Just turn on your camera. Oh. Oh, is it? Okay, many more. Don't be shy, friend. Oh, boys doesn't have to wear the hijab, right? So, okay. Can we have more? It's okay. Tudung sarung is okay. Okay. I think that's it. Okay, let's take a picture. Wait, I forgot how to. Okay. Okay, smile. Okay. Sorry, Di. Wait, can be. Sorry, can you help me taking the
Yeah.
picture?
Yeah. I'll take the picture.
Okay, nice. Thank you.
All
So
right.
I see my friends,
All right. 1, 2. Wait, wait. All right, all right, all right. Okay, need to close this first. All right. 1, 2, 3. Smile. All right. Okay, again. 1, 2, 3. Smile. All right. Freestyle, freestyle. 1, 2,
Thumbs up.
3. All right. Thank you guys for your participation
Guys.
in this event. I really, really appreciate it. I
Yeah.
hope that we can meet in another workshop that is hosted by Microsoft Learn Student Ambassador. Take your time, fill in to fill in the event feedback, also the trainer feedback form. So if you have any other questions, you can ask us here before we end the session. All right.
Okay.
All right. Thank you.
Maybe I give you 10 minutes for those who
Yeah.
have settled with the feedback form yet.
Mm.
Sorry.
That
Hello. But the link, it says something is wrong.
something's
Hello.
wrong.
Yeah.
Okay. Wait. Let me copy the link and share to the chat.
All right.
I'm so sorry, but I also don't have access to
Oh, okay.
Chatbot.
You are a guest,
Oh,
right? So
Yes.
You have in the WhatsApp group?
yeah, sure. We will send it in the WhatsApp group.
Thank
And
you.
all right, thank you so much for asking that. And then the thing is, okay, after this, this is a recorded sessions. Okay, we will send the recorded sessions to you via the WhatsApp group after this, and we will update you once we have generated the certificates for attendance, and then we will send it batch by batch, or maybe we can send it in one go through the email. So it depends on how accurate you fill in the form. So make sure to take the time and then fill in your name according to the asked questions in the form. All right. Do you guys have any other questions? We can spend this free time to answer some of your questions if you don't really understand some of the content that we have already delivered. You can also ask about Malaysian pula dah. Microsoft Learn Student Ambassador, if you want to, and also if you guys want to have like an interactive sessions between us. I mean, like in the Power Platform topics, you can also tell us whether you want to do it or not. All right.
I have a question.
okay. Who's that?
My name is Divya.
Hmm?
What if we are not in the WhatsApp group? So how are we supposed to get the link to the recording?
Oh, I see.
The
Are
link
you not?
already sent in the email. So check your email and there is a link for WhatsApp group, and just click the link and you will join the WhatsApp group. Or maybe I can share the WhatsApp group link in the chat box. Wait, yeah.
Are you not in the WhatsApp group, Divya?
No.
Oh, I see.
And I
Actually,
didn't put it in my mail also. So
oh, I
Wow,
see.
okay.
All right, never mind.
It's okay. I will put the link in the chat box.
All right, thank you for pointing that out. So, if you guys here, any of you guys here doesn't really have access to the WhatsApp group, you can see in the live chat, and then click on the live chat, to click on the link, and then join in the WhatsApp group. Thank you, Divya, for pointing that out.
welcome. Maybe could you actually just forward the link to my email?
Forward
Sorry?
the email. Forward the chat. Forward the
The
WhatsApp.
WhatsApp link, yes.
Yeah.
I would prefer it that way. Thank you.
Okay, I just put it here. The-
What is your email again, Tivia?
Okay, my name, which is my full name is on the chat. I mean the participant list, right?
Mm-hmm.
That name without space and without the capital letters. Just add 99 at the back and at gmail.com.
All right, sure. Tivia Shalini 99.
Yes, at gmail.com. Thank you.
All right. Welcome. Anything else, guys? All right. I think you guys have already completed the form, the feedback form. And we don't have any other questions from the members of the floor. Yeah, if you guys want to know anything about Microsoft or how to be Microsoft Learn Student Ambassador, feel free to reach us. You can, I think our contact is accessible here in Microsoft Teams. You can contact us at any time. We don't mind. But don't like flirt with us lah. That's just a joke. I think that's all from us. I am really appreciate. I really appreciate your support. You guys support in this event. If you want to make this event to happen again, please feel free to say so in the feedback form. I think that's all. Thank you so much for attending this event.
Guys,
Right.
for attending to this event.
All right. Bye bye, guys.
Bye. Thank you,
Bye
guys.
bye. All right.
Thank
Bye.
you. Bye.
Thank
Thank
you.
you.
Bye.
Thank you.
Bye.
Arigatou gozaimasu.
Thank you.
Go itashimashite.
Bye.
Bye.
Mata kondo onegaishimasu.
Mata ne.
Arigato.